Today, we're delving deep into the dynamic world of online trading. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your trading strategies, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you navigate the markets effectively. Topic 1. Understanding online trading. Online trading has revolutionized the way individuals participate in financial markets. It allows you to buy and sell a variety of financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies through internet-based platforms provided by brokerage firms. This convenience has democratized access to markets, enabling traders from all backgrounds to participate in buying and selling securities from anywhere in the world. Topic 2. Getting started with online trading. If you're new to online trading, the first step is to choose a reputable brokerage platform. Research different brokers to find one that offers competitive fees, a user-friendly interface, and reliable customer support. Once you've selected a broker, you'll need to open an account and fund it with capital. Many brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual funds before risking your own money. Topic 3. Essential trading strategies. Successful trading requires a solid understanding of various strategies. Here are some common approaches. Day trading. Buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Swing trading. Holding positions for several days or weeks to profit from medium-term price trends. Long-term investing. Holding investments for an extended period, often years, with the goal of achieving capital appreciation and dividends. Choosing the right strategy depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. It's crucial to develop a trading plan and stick to it to manage risk effectively. Topic 4. Risk management and psychology. Risk management is a cornerstone of successful trading. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and diversify your portfolio to spread risk across different assets. Additionally, emotional discipline is essential. Avoid making impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Stick to your trading plan and remain objective in your analysis of market conditions. Topic 5. Tools and resources for traders. Modern online trading platforms offer a wealth of tools and resources to help traders make informed decisions. Real-time market data. Access to up-to-date information on prices, volume, and market trends. Charting tools. Visual representations of price movements and technical indicators to identify trading opportunities. Research reports and analysis. Insights from financial analysts and market experts to stay informed about economic events and company fundamentals. Educational resources. Webinars, tutorials, and trading courses to enhance your trading skills and knowledge. Utilize these tools to conduct thorough research and analysis before making trading decisions. Continuously educate yourself to adapt to evolving market conditions and refine your trading strategies. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through online trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, remember that success in trading requires dedication, continuous learning, and disciplined execution. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on financial markets and trading strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy trading!